References, not really. And I actually don't recommend adding like references available upon request, I think it is. I mean, of course, if the process, if the company has in their process to check references and you agree to go through that process, then, then it kind of goes without saying, right? Then you're going to have to produce those references. So that's kind of redundant, I feel. And I wouldn't really recommend like taking space with that. I wouldn't recommend either adding your reference like names or contact details right off the bat on resumes, just because, there are many reasons. One is privacy, as in any recruiter can just go and check that out, who that person is, and maybe they're better qualified than you are. That can happen. So just focus on yourself. And, with references, I feel like if it's required, if the company asks you to provide references, then for sure. But yeah, it's only if they require it. Like, don't just offer things like that.